Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we're taking a look at some of the things we're working on. Now we're adding custom furniture fabrication, custom furniture making. And so we want to show you just a small example that these are the feet to a piece of furniture that has been burned, and these pieces were lost. And so Christian has fabricated and carved all new feet. So you see the original and the pattern, and then here he has used the form of that to create the extra toes. This is what we call lion feet. Goes on a very nice piece of furniture, and you see that this is the doweled structure that the cabinet sits on. So we're going to be building more and more furniture. Of course, we've always been fabricating legs and feet and toes and so forth, and pieces of relief work, but now we're going to start building a piece to match a missing dining room chair, a missing cabinet that you've always wanted to have the other part to. We can build whatever you need. So keep us in mind. Let us know if we can build something for you. Thanks for watching.